Hello everyone. In last video we have installed the WSL and it was asking to reboot the system. So I have restarted the system and now I will continue this video from the last video. If you have not gone through that last video, you can find the link of that particular video in the description. So after the installation of WSL, to check if the WSL installation is successful, just open the command line prompt and type here WSL -install. It will give the I tried to reinstall it again, my bad. Type WSL not here, just 1 minute. We need to open the CMD command prompt and type here WSL -version. So now it is giving me the version of WSL which we have installed. By mistake I have written the WSL -install. So now to open the Ubuntu CLI, because it is installed on the system, we can see here we have the Ubuntu subsystem for Linux. Now when I will open like this, it will show me the something like written in the green, and now what is this? This is the Ubuntu operating system CLI. Or if we don't want to use like this and want to open a particular path, now on this particular path, if I want to open the Ubuntu, we can type here bash command and press the enter. It will convert, or it will open that particular Ubuntu CLI interface. Now the main thing which is need to note here, that is to set up the user. When you will first time type the bash command, or maybe you will type something like this docker ps, either it's installed or not, it will ask to you set up the username. At the first time you need to set up username, then password, then reconfirm the password. I have already set up that things, and now after that you need to perform or write one particular command, that is to update the apt repository of the Ubuntu. So to update that, you need to write sudo then apt update. It is asking me for password. This is the same password for the user Sukhraj which I have set up. Actually in this video I could not show that because I have already set up that. Now it is updating the repository for Ubuntu, and it will take some time. It will download some packages. So it's saying 3 package can be upgraded. Run apt list -" upgrade, or we can go for this particular command sudo apt upgrade. So it has now upgraded the it will upgrade the packages. Now after executing these 2 commands, sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade, the next, now we can move to install softwares or CLIs versions on the Ubuntu operating system. Let me clear it. As Ubuntu operating system or Ubuntu CLI is ready, so using this, what I will do, I will install Docker. To install the Docker, we have the command, that is this one, sudo apt install docker.io -y. -y is used to allow the permissions to install the required packages. Press enter. I will provide these commands inside the description as well. You can copy these commands from the description of the video as well. Now the installation is complete. Let's see docker -version is working or not. It is giving me the installed version of Docker on my system. See here, it is Ubuntu. CLS will not work, only clear command will work here, but on the Windows CLS working easily. Now we will see inside the Docker, by running some Docker commands, it's saying cannot connect to the Docker daemon at Unix. Is Docker daemon is running before. So now to access the Docker daemon, we need to start the service. Now to start the Docker service or Docker daemon, we have the command sudo symmetrical start docker, and this is saying system has not been booted with system as init system pid1. So this type of error comes when the reboot is required, like we have updated the apt repository of the Ubuntu and then we have upgraded and installed the Docker. So now it is giving the issue that it could not start the daemon because it again need to restart the system. So now I will again restart the system. Now in the next video we will see how we can start the Docker service and then how we can install the Dapr CLI on Ubuntu as well as on the Windows. Now that's all in this video, and stay connected for the next video. In the next part we will discuss about CLI installations. Thank you.